I think civil engineering benefits society and transforms lives in a number of ways. What other career affects so many people and so many lives through one design? Let's just take, for instance, a road design, a new road design. How many people are going to be using that road every day? How much easier does that make someone's life of going to work and going to school and wherever else? It's really touched the lives of so many people in ways that maybe sometimes you don't really see. I was 17 years old, so I just finished school, and I just had this interest in maths and physics, and I wanted to do something with it, but I just had no idea what to do. I was introduced to a structural engineer, and I approached their company asking for some work experience. So I asked for a week to start with, and every day I was learning about new software, I was learning about problem solving, about what engineers do. This industry I had no idea about. I think it's very important that you approach a company and you actively, that shows interest straight away, and it's very important to do that. And I then went away traveling for a little while, and I came back to an email with a job offer for a training agreement. I was so lucky to get that, and that's taken me from studying at college all the way through to university. The thought process I go through to come up with a big idea or a solution is looking at, say, both sides of the fences. You're looking at maybe the architect or the client side of things and what their design is, but you've also got to think very practically about how that's going to be built. And is it practical for the contractors? Is it easy for them to construct? What are the effects of the neighbouring properties are going to, it's going to have? So I love engineering. It sits right in the middle of that. It joins both of those worlds together, and the problems that you solve at the end of that is so rewarding. Populations are rising everywhere. We need to create infrastructure that handles that, and buildings that are comfortable for people and for people to live in and work in, and make sure that the quality of life is high in such a developing country. But there's one thing that's very, very important, and that's sustainability and our attitude towards sustainability. It's a word that's used all the time around the industry, but it's so important for us to, as engineers, to think proactively about what materials we use, or the delivery of these projects, and what's the longevity of these structures, and how will that affect our planet in the future.